BOLOTOR BELLOWS Packs. Introducing BELLOWS Packs, where creativity meets adventure. Brought to you by BOLOTOR, this brand is all about being bold and fearless. So, what exactly is BELLOWS Packs? It's a versatile combination of a backpack, cooler, tent, handy storage, picnic mat, tarp, and even a hammock. The creators designed it to be useful almost anywhere, from hiking trails to campgrounds. There's even enough room to pack an extra pair of shoes. The backpack's dimensions are 56 by 35.5 centimeters, and all the added features make your outdoor experiences much more enjoyable. The starter kit, which includes the backpack, tarp, and cooler, costs $210. ND Security Alarm. Camping solo is fun, but who keeps an eye on your stuff while you're out exploring the woods, swimming, or fishing? To avoid leaving your tent unprotected, you can set up the TH9S motion detectors around your campsite. These detectors use infrared technology to sense movement within a 140 degrees range and up to 4 meters away. If they detect an intruder, they emit a high-pitched sound to scare them off. The TH9S sensors can work independently or pair with certain smart wristbands. A single detector is priced at $73, giving you peace of mind while enjoying nature. The MUTIFLEX is not your average tool. It's a multi-tool flashlight. Equipped with 6 screwdriver bits, an electric arc lighter, a saw blade, and even USB ports, it's easy to forget its primary function as a flashlight. Despite all these features, it weighs only 887 grams. The 3,500 mAh battery lasts for up to 4 hours on the brightest setting, and the beam can be seen from 300 meters away. To ensure durability, it's made with a combination of aluminum and 420 stainless steel. Whether you're adventuring or tackling daily tasks, MUTIFLEX is a reliable companion. For just $64, you can carry it everywhere. The creators of Kitchen Cruiser claim it's the ultimate camping kitchen. In just seconds, it transforms from a box the size of a nightstand into a fully equipped cooking station. Measuring 56.5 by 40.5 by 47.5 centimeters, the Kitchen Cruiser includes multiple tables, a detachable stove, a gas tank, a sink with a faucet, and drawers. Made with space-grade aluminum, it weighs 19.5 kilograms. With all these features, it's no wonder the Kitchen Cruiser raised over $96,000 on Kickstarter. Now, you can purchase this incredible camping kitchen for at least $489. The makers of PKNK offer innovation, but with a focus on car camping. They make it clear that this portable picnic table isn't meant for hiking, but rather for camping near your vehicle. It fits neatly into your car trunk and can be wheeled to your campsite. Once set up, the PKNK turns into a portable workstation with a built-in light, making it perfect for relaxing, cooking, or even working on your laptop. It can hold up to 40 kilograms and provides a tabletop measuring 39 by 62 centimeters, along with a storage compartment that holds 30 liters. At $359, it's a reasonable choice for car campers who want a functional, portable solution. AWADA Lunchbox is a perfect blend of a lunchbox and camping cookware. This versatile set includes a steamer, a pot, and a frying pan, along with a lid, cutting board, handle, and strap. Weighing only 596 grams, it's super easy to carry around. If you add the optional fork, knife, and spoon set, the weight only increases by 66 grams. The pot even has space inside to store items like an alcohol stove. The frying pan is designed to give your steaks those perfect grill lines. When you're not camping, the AWADA Lunchbox doubles as a handy lunch carrier for work, letting you enjoy meals on the go. This practical and stylish set starts at just $69. KELTY has taken their already popular low love seat and made it even better. Now it comes with 2 cozy blankets. This love seat is designed for 2 people, with a sturdy steel frame that can support up to 181 kilograms. Despite its strength, it weighs only about 8 kilograms and comes with convenient drink holders. Perfect for campfires or outdoor movie nights, the improved low love seat is available for $150, offering comfort and warmth wherever your adventures take you. Bruder EXP6. This camping trailer is built to stand out. Its creators spared no expense, using top-quality materials and cutting-edge technology to design a trailer that can handle the toughest outdoor conditions. Designed to perform in extreme temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius, the EXP6 has a frame that can support 11 times its own weight. With advanced shock absorption and suspension systems offering 305 millimeters of travel, this trailer is ready for off-road adventures at speeds up to 64 kilometers per hour. Its ground clearance can be increased to 650 millimeters, and at 1.9 meters wide, it's highly maneuverable. Inside, there's enough space to comfortably accommodate up to 6 people, making it a great choice for adventure seekers. The EXOD Hard Cooler 25 Cutie is a top-tier ice chest, designed to keep your drinks cold for days. Its thick 7.6 centimeters walls are filled with commercial-grade polyurethane, and it even has a silicone seal to lock in the cold. This cooler holds 23 liters, or about 30 cans. A groove at the bottom separates water from the ice, slowing down the melting process. Thanks to its outstanding design, the EXOD Hard Cooler 25 Cutie won the Red Dot Design Award in 2023. Even with all these features, it's priced at a surprisingly affordable $113. Discovery D42 is a more traditional camping trailer, offering a comfortable and practical option for extended vacations. It includes 2 beds and can be paired with various tents to double your living space. Weighing in at just 1.1 tons, it's easy to tow with a crossover like the Peugeot 2008. The trailer measures 5.6 meters in length and 2.2 meters in width, offering a well-equipped kitchen, shower, toilet, and other essential amenities. A standout feature is the large curved front window, which provides fantastic views. You can also add an audio system, microwave, and other appliances to make it feel like home. The Discovery D4-2 is available for around $26,000. Coffee lovers around the world drink about 590 billion cups every year, and some are so devoted that they won't give it up, even while hiking. The team at No Normal Coffee understands this passion, so they created a tube of paste-like coffee concentrate. It's brewed coffee without the water, which means you can even eat it if you're in a pinch. When mixed with hot or cold water, one tube makes around 20 cups. Made from 100% Arabica beans, beet sugar, and natural thickeners, it's a convenient way to get your caffeine fix. Each tube costs $17.50. Weather can be unpredictable, especially in the great outdoors. You might enjoy warm sunshine during the day, but feel the chill in the mornings and evenings. That's where the KINGCAMP MURANO 180 comes in handy. For just $60, this versatile hybrid can be used as a blanket, sleeping bag, or poncho. When unfolded, it measures 168 by 122 centimeters, making it 20% larger than similar products. It's filled with lightweight synthetic material, weighing just 830 grams, making it easy to carry on your outdoor adventures. MONTEK suitcases start at $700, and while they're not covered in crystals or designed by a luxury brand, they have a practical edge. Inside, you'll find a solar panel, rechargeable battery, and various connectors like USB and DC 5521. The basic model generates 80 watts in good weather, while the high-end version produces up to 400 watts. All models can store up to 1,100 watt-hours, enough to power a projector for 7 hours or a sump pump for 13 hours. Like any high-quality suitcase, MONTEK products are shock-resistant and waterproof, making them a worthwhile investment, especially when considering potential savings on electricity bills. Pawsible Pro Tent is designed with pets in mind. This tent comfortably fits 3 people and a pet, such as a dog, who even gets their own entrance, luxury windows, and a designated bowl area. If your pet wants to join you inside the main tent, they can enter without you having to go outside. The Pawsible Pro is also great for humans, weighing just 3.1 kilograms and taking only 5 minutes to set up. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum, making it windproof, and comes with a rain cover for protection against bad weather. Surprisingly, this feature-packed tent is priced at just $100, making it affordable for year-round camping. At first glance, this might look like a regular wash bag, but it's actually designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, especially fishermen. The new Direction wash bag is versatile and great for campers, hunters, and more. It comes with a built-in mirror and a plastic hook that allows you to hang it on branches or car doors. With 3 zippered pockets, it has plenty of space for travel-sized and standard tubes or bottles of shampoo and other essentials. At just $115.50, it's a handy and durable option for all your outdoor needs. The ZIPPO FIREFAST bellows offers a simple and lung-friendly way to start a fire. Priced at just $20, it runs on 2 AA batteries, providing power for up to 181-minute bursts of air. But usually, a 10-second burst is all you need to light a fire with small twigs and chips. Made from lightweight plastic, the bellows weigh just 3 grams. Worried about it melting? No need. The nozzle lets you fan the flames from a safe 30 centimeters distance. Plus, the handle is textured and non-slip, giving you a secure grip every time. No matter how advanced technology gets, the Japanese always find a way to impress. Take this cute little trailer as an example. Designed for the local market, this compact soapbox-like trailer can even handle waves thanks to its outboard motor with at least 5 horsepower. Despite its small size of 4.4 by 1.6 by 1.9 meters, it comfortably fits 3 people. Inside, you'll find not only furniture but also a kitchen. This cleverly designed trailer is priced around $14,500, offering a compact yet functional space for adventure seekers. The ANTP 500-watt power bank stands out with its jerry can-inspired design and powerful features. With a 500-watt capacity, this power bank can charge a smartphone up to 30 times or power a laptop for 11 hours. It also boasts 2,000 charge cycles and weighs 4 kilograms. Overheat protection is built in, and you can even recharge it using solar panels. Priced at $169, it's a practical investment, especially during unexpected power outages, making it a reliable companion for your tech devices. Exodus Arc. Tents of the future have arrived, and they're cooler than anything you could imagine. Take the EXOD Arc, for instance. It looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The designer spent 5 years perfecting this model, which is comfortable even when suspended. Thanks to its EXOD strap system and a combination of inflatable and carbon elements, setting up this one-person tent takes only 10 minutes, while packing it up takes just 8. Though it's designed for 1-2 people can fit in for a night. Weighing 4.7 kilograms, it also features a transparent roof window perfect for stargazing. However, the price is on the high side, $869 for this futuristic camping gear.